This is the penthouse sitting atop 53 White Street, a stunning restoration of a landmark cast iron building in Tribeca. Hi, I'm Callie Sarkash of Compass. There's lots to see in this space, and I'd love to give you a tour. Come along. This home is a brand new addition to the 1857 building. It's a duplex penthouse spanning over 5,000 square feet with nearly 3,000 square feet of outdoor space. The entire upper floor of the penthouse consists of this stunning living room, a kitchen, dining room, media room and lounge, and 2 outdoor spaces. In fact, virtually every room in this home has an outdoor space, including this stunning custom kitchen. Clad in statuary marble, white integrated cabinetry, and high-end appliances, this is where you and your guests will spend a lot of your time. And it's an easy commute to the living room. I love this room. It has superb dimensions, this beautiful Venetian plaster fireplace, this entire wall of glass. Come lounge with me. You're surrounded by iconic New York architecture. To the south, your Freedom Tower and the so-called Jenga Tower. And to the north, well, come and see. Oh, I should mention that when it comes to mealtime, you have 2 options. Dine inside around this great table, or al fresco on your Tuscan terrace. Imagine setting this table up for a feast with friends and being arm's length with this stunning architecture and spectacular views. But there's more to see inside. Rounding up the upper floor is this intimate lounge with a second fireplace and this unique angled window showcasing the view to the north. Now let's go check out downstairs. The lower floor of the penthouse houses 3 bedrooms, a home office, and this beautiful primary suite. This serene space has lovely southern light, a substantial walk-in closet, and the perfect home spa. But I've saved the best for last. And this is the jewel in the crown, a literal outdoor living room with a fireplace, a full kitchen, and a sun deck with its own shower. And the crescendo is the 360-degree views of this magnificent city. I'm delighted to have given you a tour of the penthouse at 53 White Street. Until the next time.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.